Here we are at Wilnor Outdoors in good old Dittmer, Missouri for the annual St. Louis Fire Department's Canine Team Fundraiser Bird Hunt. 2 days of hunting with 4-person teams, 12 teams per day. We want to thank everybody that came out and supported us. If you didn't make it out this year, we hope you can make it out next year.
Yeah, it's running.
Oh, right there, right there.
I don't know if y'all hit any more.
Drop it.
I just saw that one drop.
Drop it.
Jesus Christ.
Get him up, get him up. Right there. Right there, right there.
Kill him. Up here.
You see another one?
Yeah, it's running about 10 feet in front of me.
Shuck or quail?
Quail. You ready? Come in here. Come on back. I don't think it made it to the path. I think it was over the ground.
She's on it, she's on it.
Here. Yep, it's right here. It's on the ground. Get it. Walk in and get it. It's up a little bit further.
There he is, right there on the outside. He just went back in.
Yep, I saw it. Walk up and get it. Up in here. Up in here.
There he goes, there he goes.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. It's right here. The first one here? Yeah. Fella come. Get it.
There it is, there it is.
No. Get it. Where is it?
I just saw it run.
Come. Sucker. Come. No. You can't let it go. Come on. Drop it. Good dog.
Oh, something just got up way over there.
In here.
Nice shot, Kyle.
She went too far. Come on back. Got it. Come on.
There should be another one before that. I saw it. One went down before it got to that break.
There's only two. That one got up again.
Whoa.
Fella, come.
I got it. again.
Here you go, Mark.
There you go.
You got it?
Yeah, it's not.
Never mind.
Oh, that's the dead bird.
She'll take care of that. Come on, Bella. There you go, Mark. Come on. Come. Touch it up. Come on. Here, bring it to dad. Come on. No. Come on. There's another one right.
Bella, come. Bella. Right here, right here. They're gonna come over to you guys. Bella, right here. Get it. Got one more somewhere in here. I lost it.
Hold on. Let her get this one.
I know.
Come on. That's another damn quail, though.
Yeah, the other one's this one. Right here. Right here, Bella.
Bella, come. In here.
Somewhere in the next 5 feet in front of you.
There it goes.